Today we have to discuss importance or significance or benefit of business environment. Proper understanding and having complete knowledge, to whom we say awareness, by the businessman about business environment brings a lot of benefits to business enterprises. First importance is that first mover advantage. We can say first entry advantage. If any firm takes first entry in the business market, then he can get more and more profit. Let us see it. Proper understanding and scanning. Scanning means complete knowledge, awareness of business opportunities at early stage. If businessman at early stage he properly scanned and understand the opportunity of business, then he can get maximum benefit or maximum profit, or he can capture a big share in the market. This is the first entry advantage. Take an example. Maruti, to whom we all know, is the car manufacturing company. Maruti was the first company who scanned the business environment's opportunity that there is a need of a small car in India, and just getting this information, they started manufacturing a small car, and now we are finding that the Maruti company has become a leader in the small car market. This is the first mover advantage. Second is early warning signals. Early warning signal means we have to alert about our business because there some negativity is going to be happen. Let us see it. The businessman who come to know advance about business environment, that the business environment is dynamic and changes can be occurred. They treat it like a warning signal. It is just like changing environment. It is just like a warning signal for the businessman, because this can give him negative result. For example, Maruti Udyog company got the qualitative information about their car. After scanning and collecting resources from the environment, Maruti Udyog company got this information that in your car now the quality is decreasing, and many foreign companies are going to set up their business in India. मारुति कंपनी को ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला रिसर्च के द्वारा मार्केट का कि आपके कार की क्वालिटी इस समय कम हो रही है, आप अपनी क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव नहीं कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सी फॉरेन कंपनियां इंडिया में अपना कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का बिजनेस सेटअप करने वाली हैं। नाउ द मारुति कंपनी accepted this entry as a challenge, as a warning signal, and started their production without waiting to compete with the new companies. तो जैसे उसको मिला, मारुति कंपनी ने इस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट किया और बिना वेट किए क्वालिटी बेस्ड कार का प्रोडक्शन शुरू कर दिया। थर्ड इज help in typing resources. Businessmen supply goods to the market on the basis of customers' demand, and we know to supply the output it requires input like raw materials, etc. These raw materials and resources are collected by the business enterprises keeping in mind the output demanded. It means how much output is required in the market. Due to this requirement to fulfill the customer's requirement, they produce their goods, product, keeping in mind the raw materials and resources. Next is help to adapt changes. Today changes are taking place very fast, and these changes have great impact on business, because business environment is dynamic. So if business enterprise or businessman does not adopt these changes as soon as possible in their business, then he cannot compete in the rapid changes that is happening in the environment. बिजनेस में बहुत तेज़ी से चेंजिंग हो रहा है, बिजनेस का एनवायरनमेंट डायनेमिक है, और इस चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट में बिजनेसमैन अपने को अगर इस चेंजिंग को एडॉप्ट नहीं करता है तो ये बिजनेस के मार्केट में, कंपटीशन के मार्केट में वो compete नहीं कर पाएंगे, अपने को जो है वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग प्लानिंग एंड पॉलिसी। प्लान्स, पॉलिसीज एंड स्ट्रेटेजीज आर फॉर्म्ड कीपिंग इन माइंड द कंडीशंस दैट आर प्रिवेलिंग इन एनवायरनमेंट। Whatever the plans, policy and strategy is framed by the businessman, they always keep these points in their mind कि how much situations, how many types of situations are prevailing in the market. बिजनेसमैन जो भी प्लान और पॉलिसी को बनाते हैं वो इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रख करके बनाते हैं किस प्रकार का वातावरण बिजनेस में एनवायरनमेंट चल रहा है। लास्ट पॉइंट इज दैट इम्प्रूवमेंट इन परफॉर्मेंस। इफ बिजनेसमैन टाइमली स्कैन एंड प्रॉपर्ली अंडरस्टैंड द चेंजेस एंड इनोवेशन कैन बी मेड वेरी इजली टू इम्प्रूव देयर परफॉर्मेंस। अगर बिजनेसमैन समय रहते बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट के चेंजिंग को समझ लिया और उसको चेंज करके अपने टेक्नोलॉजी को इनोवेट करके, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी को एडॉप्ट करके वो आसानी से अपने परफॉर्मेंस को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं।